welcome to my channel where we talk and learn about plants, gardening, and sprinkle some regular life stuff in too, because you know, this is what it is, right? So if that's interesting to you, if you really like plants, you want to learn more about plants, hit that subscribe button and come hang out. Today we're going to be answering the questions from Scott Grows an Avocado Tree Plant Plans 2021 tag. Try to say that too fast and you just mumble all your words, but I really like this tag. I did it last year too. It's just good to have goals and also to see where you've progressed and see what you wanted to do and what you actually ended up doing, and help keep you moving, keep you learning. So that's what we're going to do today. So the first question is, what plant brought you the most joy in 2020? That plant is my Hoya Croniana Eskimo. When I first got this little babe, she was very small. She had like maybe 5 leaves on her, and you could just see she's growing into a nice little bush, and she's retaining her splash. If you will focus, there we go. And also the pot was painted by my wonderful boyfriend, so it just makes it all the better. Yeah, it's a beautiful plant. It's so small and cute, and every time I look at it I smile. So this plant brought me the most joy in 2020. Okay, the second question is, what's at the top of your 2021 plant wish list? So, I am still on the hunt for an affordable philodendron silver sword. I have a feeling 2021 is going to be that year. I feel it. Also, the Sansevieria or Dracaena whale fin, and I am on the hunt for a Peperomia incana. I just love the little fuzzy leaves, they're so cute. I just want it. Okay, so the third question is, what do you need to do with your plants in 2021? Again, I'm going to show you what I need to do. All these little babes need to be repotted. I have especially some of the plants that, they still have the coconut husk. Yeah. Because when I imported them, I was afraid I was going to knock off all the roots and kill the plant, so I left it on. But I think on the next pot up, I think that's what I'm calling it. The next plant pot up, I'm going to try to remove, the coconut husk. I'm going to try. I don't know. If I feel like I'm going to kill the plant doing it, I'm just going to leave them and stick them in the pot with it. But yeah, so I gotta repot all of these guys. And all of these guys. Yeah. I also need to figure out some type of trellis thing, because as you can see, they're throwing out tendrils and leaves that falling all over the place. So yeah, that's what I have to do with my plants for 2021. Alright, the fourth question is, what would you like to learn in 2021? So, first, to learn to relax, chill the fuck out. But the other things I would like to learn are how to grow edible food. I always start the seeds and then they never live. They're always leggy. It's a lot of trial and error, and so far it's just been error. I think I got a couple snap peas one year, a couple tomatoes last year, some strawberries last year, but I would like to get better at doing that. Learn some soil science, that would be really cool. And yeah, learn to edit better. I have Premiere Pro with being in school. It comes with it, so I have access to it. I just need to learn it and use it. So that is what I want to learn in 2021. The fifth and the last question is, what can your subscribers expect in 2021? So I am planning on learning Premiere Pro so that I can edit better, so better edited videos, hopefully. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make it a priority. I'm gonna do it on top of everything else I'm doing. I'm gonna figure it out somehow. And also the videos, I want to make more botanically inspired educational videos. I've been kind of doing that already with, you know, learning about the nation and different aspects of plants. So I want to do more of that. I think it would broaden my knowledge on plants and how to keep them, and I think sharing is the best way for the masses to learn. So I'm sharing with you. I'd like it if you guys could share with me, and that would be great. Alrighty guys, until next time, relax, plant,